is a 2010 Chevrolet Camaro 2LT. It has a victory red exterior and a black interior with the 2LT trim level. It features a V6 cylinder engine with 304 horsepower that gets an EPA of 29 miles per gallon highway and 17 mpg in the city. This was a non-smoker vehicle. Features include heated leather seats, overhead airbag, MP3 player, aluminum wheels, keyless entry, remote trunk release, and steering wheel controls. Safety for your family with a 5-star driver's side crash rating and a 4-star driver front crash rating. Shop for affordable used cars at Fisher Auto in Boulder.